the Rohingya are citizens of the country. That depends very much on whether or not they meet the requirements of the citizenship laws as they now exist. There are those who say that the Burmese citizenship laws, which are based on 1982 law, are not fair. Now that is a different question.
Those ethnic groups include the Rohingya. The Rohingya are being very badly persecuted at the moment. How do you feel about that?
I'm not happy about it. I'm not happy about the fact that there should be such tension in our country, and also I'm unhappy about the fact that there's so much focus on these troubles. I cannot decide what is done in the Rakhine state, for example. I cannot say why is there no rule of law. I can say it, which I do say it, but it's not for me to establish rule of law. I don't have the authority.
পঁচাশি আগস্টর হতা আরা পরাইম কেনে লোয়ে লালইলে দিন আর কান